Okay, honestly, I don't even know why I'm posting right now. Make sure you go stream Dynamite. I'm sorry I've been crying for the past 10 minutes. Just looks like an angel. I can't even. Please, just somebody help me. I'm sitting on my bed at 12 a.m. crying over some boys. I never thought this day would come. I've never been more excited. Well, I'm crying tears of joy, but like, can we just appreciate Tim? Can we just appreciate Jimin's vocals, please? And just like appreciate all of Taeyong. Hold up. Let me wipe my tears. Okay, well, like, please. Make sure you go stream Dynamite. If y'all watch the countdown live, let's not even mention how cute Namjoon looked, but like, I sat in the lobby for 30 minutes to watch a 3-minute video, and I've honestly never been more prouder of myself. More proud of myself. Wow. I literally carried my tablet downstairs with me, just like straight up listening to the song on max volume. Like, I don't even know what I'm gonna be watching for the next few days besides this music video. I mean, it was beautiful. Like, they had donuts. Like, who can't resist donuts? Sorry. They have freaking donuts in a music video. Taeyong had a mullet. Mullet Taeyong is back. This is the best day of my life. Well, one of the best days of my life. Mullet Taeyong is here. Oh my god. Jimin's vocals. He sounded angelic. Like, honestly, Jimin's vocals were my favorite in that song. Like, Jungkook sounded great, Jin sounded great, Taeyong sounded great, but I love Jimin's vocals on that video. And I feel like everybody would be expecting me to choose Taeyong over everybody else because that's what I always do, even though I love them all equally. But Jimin's vocals were amazing. I think this is one of those songs where, like, the vocal line, with the vocal line really got to like a shine, but like you also added in the rap line and it just made it 10 times better. Wow. And then the music video, don't even get me started. Just wow. Wow. Kim Seok-jin, all I can say is stay worldwide handsome, please. Like, wow. Oh my god. I'm gonna get mascara all in my eye because my mascara is getting ruined. Why do you have mascara on at 12 a.m.? I don't know. I have an obsession with mascara, but please. Make sure you go stream Dynamite. That's beautiful, man. It already has like 1,000,000 likes on the video, so I hope y'all truly enjoy it. I don't know how you couldn't like that. Like, it was beautiful. I've never cried. Like, when Map of the Soul 7 came out, all I did was scream. And then me and my parents just listened to Respect 1,000,000 times. Respect. I literally can't even speak English right now. What the heck? And then, but this is another level. I've never cried. Like, I only cry when I think about, oh my god, I'm yelling again. I only cry when I think about Taeyong. Oh my god, it's probably so crazy just watching a blank screen. I'll be sure to add in a font too. probably like place the video. I mean, honestly, like it was beautiful. I mean, it was amazing. I'm so gonna get copyrighted, therefore I am not gonna play the music. But I hate getting copyrighted. It just makes me sad. But yeah, please. I hope you have a great day. I'll insert a photo of me crying for this last part because the video is obviously over by now. But like, that's amazing. I'll do like, well, it wouldn't be like a genuine reaction, but I'll do a reaction video tomorrow. Well, later today because it's 12 a.m. Um, later today to like get my reaction later in the day. So y'all can actually see my face because it's dark as heck right now. But, yeah. Wow. That's amazing. I just want to say I love you.